Let's go.
Check your
LP.
talents.
I'll beat that
Checking.
shit.
Oh my god, out.
Well.
Oh god.
5,
Oh gaga.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I think I used the old pots.
You're
Let's
fucking
go.
kidding, man.
No good, man.
Why'd you do that?
Who's eating 8 blades? Lucy is a solo.
You not never do that.
Or just break their teeth.
Me.
10 more.
Ej, det gjorde hun ikke.
Would go in with Spud or Yagi. Yagi.
We wanna have a double there, by the way, for people that are chilling
they're all,
close
like,
to
so
it.
far away. Spud, just go quick.
Man, yeah, bro, I'm stood in the same spot.
Yeah, I know.
Just put it in as soon as you can, Myth.
Need some add a blast.
Double up with KJ, go. Kroner and Lucy go in.
We go blue.
King Dad in 5. We can kill it.
New marks in 5.
Oh, I'm not there.
Yagi, go. Kroner will
Can I
be
freeze
next.
group Can jump up, I think.
Kroner, go.
We don't
Nick
have a
will be
priest up here,
next.
buddy.
Oh,
If you have vengeful, you can get up.
Myth, go.
I can't. I have
I-
a fire. So I need to keep the
No,
infuse.
no, it's fine. Just go live. Go live.
Doesn't go in.
You'll be fine.
2 more goes into orange, and then next go into green. Lucy go in. Word will follow up once this drops. Rest will go green.
I'll go through the boss action crack here.
KJ, just pop it in when you can. Give Zix some clear space to go in.
Thanks, man. Block it.
Oh, that's my bad.
I'm gonna have a bit less damage on this adverse spawning here. And I normally blast it.
We're gonna
Oh, my
extend.
bad there.
It's fine, it's fine. Myth, go in. Yagi and Fev will double up once this drops. Go.
Used to die in 10 seconds.
Yeah, you can chill on the ad.
An interrupter.
Don't kill it. Yeah,
Yeah.
actually you can kill. Don't get knocked off.
New marks in 5. I want one of you to go to blue.
I'll
Lucy
go
goes in.
This one I've got a double word here up.
KJ will go next. Go. Myth will go next. Go. We'll need one more in green.
I'll go.
Go quick.
I will do blue
Yagi, go blue.
Careful not to touch them.
But oh,
Oh, my bad.
I'll rally.
Didn't realize I would do that.
wait. Double up, go. Gonna raise.
Need to hit the ad a bit, guys.
Fev, can you go purple? Who's next to purple? Is that word?
Me.
Yeah.
Yep, you go purple now.
You want me to go blue?
Yep. Myth will go into blue next.
Don't kill that
Actually,
yet.
die in
Don't
10
kill
We're
that
going
yet. Don't
orange.
kill
We're
that
going
yet. Do not kill it
orange.
yet.
2 of them go into blue.
We can kill it now.
I want one
I'll do
in
left
purple here, at least. And then the rest will go blue.
Very
Fev,
purple.
Fev go purple, rest will go blue. Bracken, you'll go next once this drops. Go. KJ will go next once this drops. Go. And Wood will go next. Go. Loser going to blue. We're gonna have some excess. Can either of you immune?
Yeah, I can.
Yagi
Watch your
going to
health,
purple.
watch your health.
Careful, Ash and melee.
Yeah.
Give Ash space so they can put it into purple. Okay, perfect. New marks incoming. Five going to purple. KJ
a
will go into
Watch a
purple
mark,
next
close.
once these tornadoes are done. KJ
A
go.
lot of space over at purple now.
Watch out for yeah, he's pretty close to us.
I
If they
need
kill
to
that
die in
soon, guys.
level 15.
Corona go in. You can double up
Don't
if you
kill
can.
it yet. Do not kill it yet. Do not kill it yet.
Orange.
Kill
I
it
will not
off.
make it. Can you grip me with that?
I'll give you speed.
New marks, take it easy. Squeak in your bubble. Perfect. Loser go in. Myth will go in once this drops.
Watch your health upstairs, yeah? If you need to tonic, you tonic.
KJ will go in once this drops. Come space. Go. Pretty much out of immunities here, but we managed to salvage. Squeak go in.
Back on immune. I'll do it.
Do it. Seri, you're gonna go in. Give him space.
HP here.
He's coming around slowly.
We have Cyclone care, don't do more now. And
Red
it's
tickets.
active.
I kicked this one.
We're hitting boss, guys.
Careful, Yagi.
Watch me, I'm falling
This
right now.
side's gonna be in for a while. New marks.
You can get close to boss whenever. It's
Tornadoes are
perfect.
gonna move soon. Tornadoes are gonna move.
Lot
Kick,
of
kick, kick.
Spread around. Make sure you're close to the boss so you're in range of healers always.
We need to start DPSing out, guys.
We're going purple cycle.
Yeah,
Sure, you can stop the knock.
readjust.
Kill the ad, guys. Get ready to get knocked. We're not getting knocked in a sec.
You'll get new marks and
Your
new
fence.
tornadoes right after. Try and bait them outside if you can.
If you get immunes up, you use them. Just if Myth dies, just rest him, yeah? Jerges, but they have double stacks.
Cycle
got-
next.
If you're low
Just
and you
also
got a
run.
pot, use it.
I was all starting Yagi right now.
Just let him die, honestly.
Tornadoes gonna move in
Let-
5. Tornadoes
Yeah,
are
let me
moving
die,
in
let me
5.
Just
Get
let,
out.
let Yagi die.
As well, souls on Myth as well.
Move
Just
out,
rest Myth,
move
rest
out.
Myth.
He's far away. I can back him.
It's fine. If anyone can reach Myth, you rest
You
him.
marked.
Cyclone pulling you in. Cyclone pulling you in.
Everything's
Like,
Second
I'm here
pot,
in
by
melee.
the way.
I will darkness.
If you haven't second pot, then press it.
Try to keep me alive. I won't see this with Mark.
Rally in 4, Seri, you just press it insta.
Pot again if you haven't.
New marks. Tornadoes are gonna move in 5.
We're dead upstairs.
Once you,
Boss is dead downstairs.
yeah,
Nice one.
just don't get hit, and you're good.
Ah, nice one.
Oh, that's
The
some
box
fucking
is good.
That's some redemption, boys.
Let's
That's
go, man.
nice. That's good.
Good shit, guys. Good shit.
That was really fucking good, man.